Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video for free on Inshot application. Okay, here I have imported my video to my Inshot project, and for instance, I'm going to remove this object from my video. So first of all, we can tap on the PIP option, and we're going to import the same video as I have imported before, this one. Tap on the video, and I'm going to tap on this icon to fit the screen. Okay, and we're gonna put mask to cover the unwanted object. We can tap on the mask option, and you can select the shape of the mask right here. For example, I'm going to select the circle mask, and we're gonna adjust the size of the mask and take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. Okay, like this, and click on the check mark button after you're done adjusting the size of the mask, and we're gonna drag the mask to cover the unwanted object, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit and zoom in a little bit until the object has been fully covered. Okay, and I think it looks natural. Then we can click on this check mark button after we're done. And now let's just take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video in Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.